ChatGPT, are there any historic prophecies in the Bible that can be verified to be miraculous prophecies using independent historic sources, not religious sources? In one word, yes or no?
No.
Interesting. Now, use the same criteria, no bias. Are there prophecies in the Quran that miraculously were prophesied and using historic sources can verify that those prophecies came true just as they were predicted in the Quran? Yes or no?
Yes.
What are those prophecies that were miraculous, that were prophesied in the Quran, and history has proven that they did come true as they were prophesied?
One of the most notable examples is the prophecy in Surah Ar-Rum 30, verse 2-4, regarding the Byzantine Empire's defeat and subsequent victory over the Persians. Here's how it meets the criteria. Prophecy in the Quran. Verses: the Byzantines have been defeated in the nearest land, but they, after their defeat, will overcome within 3 to 9 years. To Allah belongs the command before and after, and that day the believers will rejoice. Surah Ar-Rum 30, verse 2-4. Hack historical context. 1. Defeat of the Byzantines. Around 614 CE, the Byzantine Empire was decisively defeated by the Persian Empire, which captured Jerusalem and other significant territories. This defeat seemed catastrophic, with no apparent chance of recovery. 2. Victory of the Byzantines. In 622 CE, Emperor Heraclius began a counteroffensive against the Persians. By 627 CE, he achieved a decisive victory at the Battle of Nineveh, leading to the collapse of Persian resistance.